Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got another brand new Sling Shot in for an NVS Audio Stage 3. This one got DB Drive Moto 6 CDs in the front and the headrest pods. Sound Digital evox 800.4 to run those. Sound Digital 3000.1 to run the two Ground Zero 10-inch subwoofers behind the seat and the custom enclosures. Came out ultra neat. We used a ARC Audio DSP on this one. We kept the Polaris Sling Shot radio because it's got Bluetooth, it's got CarPlay. There's no need to upgrade it, and this thing sounds great. Looks factory. Love this factory color combination. We were able to maintain the factory pods. DB Drive Moto CDs on the bottom. 25mm horn on the top. Factory head unit. Headrest pods. JT enclosures behind the seat with our custom cover panels.